Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see if you can change Wise business account to personal and how to do it. So, from the beginning, you cannot directly convert a Wise business account into a personal account. Instead, Wise allows you to have both accounts types and you can easily switch between them. To add a personal account, if you already have a business account, just log into your Wise website or mobile app and click on your name or business name in the top right corner. Select Get a Personal Account from the drop-down and follow the on-screen steps to set it up, similar to signing up fresh but linked to your existing Wise profile. You'll have two separate accounts, one business and one personal. Each account has its own balances, settings, and cards, and you can switch between them at any time inside the app or website. This setup is useful if you want to separate personal finances from your business transactions while still using Wise. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.